Hello everyone. Quick video on what to do when you are trying to transfer pictures from your iPhone to a computer using a USB cable. However, the pictures you see on your iPhone are not displaying on your computer. As you can see here, the phone is connected, but I can't see the folders or the pictures. This is because a few of the settings on the iPhone need to be changed. To start those changes, we first have to go to settings on the iPhone, then scroll all the way down till you hit the photos icon. Once you see that icon, click on that, and that will take you to the photo settings. Once you're in the photo settings, scroll all the way down, and you're going to see a check mark on automatics. Change that to keep originals, and that should make the world of difference. Now, when you connect your phone, you should be able to see the folders the way you're seeing on my screen. And then when you scroll down to the folder that you're looking for, you should also be able to see the pictures populate. Hopefully this will help anyone out there with the same challenge I was having. Good luck.